This is Business Math Consultation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Tara J. And enjoy.
It's not a problem, gid na siya. So, karon kay dili man ta maka-adto sa eskwelahan, we will be working it online or kanin ani. So I know also that there are also other people who choose printed, but the submissions of output, and aside from katong mag-adto sa magkuha sa module, kay i-consider gihapon nako nga mo submit sila output using the Google Classroom, kay it would be easier for me to track rather than checking it on a paper. I know kanang naayuban sa atong mga classmate nga wala gid sila gadgets, but they can always visit an internet shop or they can look for a PesoNet para sila makakonect and submit their output. Anyway, the output will be submitted in a given period of time. Dili siya ingon nga after diha dayon inig abot sa module mo na din magbuhat ka na. No. It will be submitted in a given period of time. Tagaan mo time para mo-submit sa mo-submit sa inyong output. Dili siya inana, dili magpa-pressure, dili kayo mohatag og pressure sa mga students kay lahi gid kaayo ang feeling nga nara ka sa balay og walay makatabang nimo para mo answers. Teachers will also be available not 24 hours, but please message them ana kana ganing office hours lang siguro nga magmata like 8 to 12 or 8 to 6 in the evening, 8 in the morning to 6 in the evening lang siguro, not to the extent nga hangtod alas 12 or alauna kay nag-message, pero okay raman na siya, you can drop the message, but do not expect na ma-replyan din siya dayon kay ako para nako kay kanang magsigiram kog mata-mata mo pero maka-reply ko, pero ang ubang nga teachers, please be considerate as well. So, ang Module 1, Week 1, covers the fraction to decimal and percent conversion, decimal to fraction to percent, percent to decimal to fraction. So, simple lagi kayo siya sa ngatanan. Na-amaze gani ko sa akong mga grade 11 students nga. Kana ganing eager kayo, like, pag dawat mo lang gani sa module, kaya nag-answer na din siya niya. Dayon niya naging, ma'am, asalin ako i-submit, ma'am. Naka-chat dayon siya. Like, wow, paspas. Oy, naghanay pa gani may diri. Nag-searching pa gani kay may diri. Pero happy kayo ko sa iyan, ana, nga positive attitude, no, nga. Kana ganing the willingness to learn and the willingness to kana ganing help the teacher nga kana ganing mo exert og effort nga mo unsa mo basa o nya dayon mo answer sa activities nga gihatag. So ato ang post-test and pre-test, again, since wala pa ko nakabuhat sa form sa pre-test, then I will be working on the post-test as well. Ang pre-test, ang uban kay nakasubmit na, ako lang magbuhat ko katong para sa Google Classroom na dito lang na to i-turn in ang ato ang mga pre-test nga i-picturan, then i-submit. Then wait for my post on the post-test nga link para sa Google Form sa post-test. Then there are some activities that are required, same with other class nga. Amo ra siyang gihanay kung unsa dapat i-submit o kung saan pag-submit. Then the submission as well. So let me show you, or let's run through on the atong Business Mathematics Module 1. So just to familiarize with the module, naaman ni Kuan, makita na to kung kinsay nagsuwat dinhi sa atong Business Mathematics. Yan, naasigin sa ang nag-edit o kinsa ang nag-review o ang mga management team nga ni comply ani nga module nga nagbuhat ani or nag-course or nag-aghag sa mga maestra para mabuhat og module para sa ato ang naatay mag-guide para sa atong pag-study. Kay dili man ta makakuha, wala may libro, so naatay mga ingon ani nga module para mo work ta. part includes the activity that aims to check what you already know about the lesson to take. So, namo nang ang pretest natay pretest daan para ma-identify kung unsa na ang level ba, mag-leveling up pa sa mga estudyante kung unsa na ang iyang understanding in a given lesson. Then what I need to know. So this will give you an idea of the skills or competencies you are expected to learn in the module. So mo ni ang mga objectives. So at the end of the lesson or at the end of this module, you have this particular learning outcomes that we have to consider. What's in the review or the springboard? This is a brief drill or review to help you link the current lesson with the previous one. So it's a review. Then what's new? The presentation of the lesson in this portion. The new lesson will be introduced to you in various ways. A story, a song, a poem, a problem opener, an activity, or a situation. So, naanay i-introduce ang atong bagong lesson. So, katong akong i-identify ganiha ang mga lessons nga naana to is katong conversion. Then, this what is it? The discussion. Then, this section provides a brief discussion of the lesson. This aims to help you discover and understand new concepts and skills. Then, what's more? The application, the sections provide activities which will help you transfer your new knowledge or skill into life situation concerns. Then, what I need to remember includes the key points that you need to remember. Kanaganing murag summary of everything or generalization on what you have learned. Then, enrichment activities or what can I do? This comprises activities for independent practice to solidify your understanding and skills of the topic. Then we have the post-test assessment. This is a task that aims to evaluate your level of mastery in achieving the learning competencies. So, natay mga answer keys sad, pero it will not be given to you kay para nasad may something to work on. So, the module, about the module, this module was designed and written with you in mind, and it will have to tackle with the lessons. And its objective, each of one is expected to express fractions to decimal and percent forms, decimal to fractions to percent, percent to fraction to decimal, and transforms recurring decimals to fractions, and state process and converting fractions to decimals and percent, or vice versa. Appreciate the importance of converting fraction decimals percent in carrying in mathematical and real-life problems. So, I guess most of you already answered it. Naamantay band paper nga gipa-answer or katong nay mga kung asa ansiran nya unsa ibutang pangalan o kanang section o unsa nga activity ang giansiran. So kani ibutang lang sa ni sa band paper unya adton ninyo ibutang sa ato ang class. Mag-assign ko diri sa classwork pero wala pa ko nakabuhat, mag-create pa ko. Then ay assign ta mo diri dapat ang katong nag-modular o nag-printed o nag-digital should submit their output here in our classroom. And aside from the Facebook group that you have or the Facebook chat that you have, you also have to check every now and then on the classroom. Okay, para to check kung unsa na ang mga activities on the classwork part. Moni, wala naman siguro may problem with the conversions, no? Okay, fraction comes with the Latin word fractus, which means broken. It represents a part of a whole. When something is broken into a number of parts, the fraction shows how many of those parts you have. Equivalent fraction is defined as a fraction with different numerators and denominators, but represents the same value or proportion of the whole. So, decimal is representation of fraction whose denominator is a multiple of 10. Okay, deci means 10. Percent, which means per 100, is a representation of fraction whose denominator is 100. Thus, expressing a number is 75% is like a comparing with 100. Mo ni ang mga conversions from 3/4 to decimal to percent. So, mayroon kag 3/4, ang equivalent to 3/4 in a decimal is 0.75. Kung mayroon gani kag percent, you multiply it to 100, then becomes 75%. This is very easy raman no. Ako lang tan-awon kung unsa nga atong mga activities nga ibutang nato sa ato ang sa ato ang classroom. Activity 1, again same with other kuan. We will answer this on the paper and submit it using our using our classroom. Napay tao? May? Napa mo?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, convert decimal to fractions and percent. Naraman no, kaning convert 0.65 to fraction and percent form. So, kung 0.65 man, duha ka decimal place. So, that is over 100 and you divide it by, this is divisible by 5 for greatest common denominator factor. So, mao ng 13/20 ang imuhang fraction form. Same process. Then we'll have our activity 1.2. It will be a separate paper and a separate submission on our Google Classroom. And what you need to remember, it is just a review on what is the topic on the lesson 2. Next is convert percent to decimal and fraction from percent to decimal to fraction. Drop the percent symbol and write down the number and divide it by 100. And if percent is not a whole number, then multiply both numerator and denominator by multiples of 10 depending on the number or of digit after the decimal point is an integer. And proceed to number 3. Reduce the fraction in the simplest form. Express fraction to decimal form by dividing the numerator with the denominator by simply using the given percent and the decimal point. So, parehaning 85%. I-drop niya ang percent kaning. Ibutangan niya over 100. Then, iyang i-reduce to the lowest form. Kuhaning 17/20. I-divide niya. Parehaning, dili siya whole number. It's a decimal form at 1.35% divided by convert into fraction or decimal. Kaya imo siya i-multiply 100 because para siya whole number ang decimal. Ang numerator of ang denominator. Then, it will return to fraction. Then, express it to decimal. Same process with the decimal or the not whole number. Then, kani kay na-amaze ko sa uban nga nag-create, nag-drawing gid sila usab. Dayon ilang i-submit. again, I will be making a different kuan ani para sa ato ang Google Classroom para dito ninyo i-submit individually. Wala ra may problema ani no? Nga mag-color og yellow and green for correspondent answer.
Wala ra, ma'am.
Ako sa imong answer ani Claire. Then
Wrong.
oh my good. Dayan, post test na.
Nga, sa ako ato, ma'am, is kanang naman sa notebook.
Ay, picture mo yan.
I-rewrite.
Pwede ra sad. For the meantime, kato na lang. Then, we will start on the week 2 na lang Gen Math.
Sige, thank you.
Ana ra. Sa post test, I will be making the form. Then you submit. We will just click on the link on our classroom para kanang dito mo answer. Then it will automatically generate your score as well. So, maura na sa Gen Math. Ayun, saan eh? Business Math for now.
Businessman. Well, maora.
So, dili ra kayo ni siya kuan daghan buhaton compare sa kuan kay it's really designed for a week kay ang all mathematics man good as part of a writer man sad kuno kay kanang gingnan gid mi sa ni Ma'am Patenye, the head of mathematics, kay dapat the students will work on the activity in a week lang, dili para sa uban nga katong pareha sa among marketing grabe kay ka bombarded of activities. So, kuan kay siya sa tasking kaayo.
Para sa ko may trip.
Send daw na pag-iingon ana. So, kani, it's just relax and a simple pa man ni siya. But, there will come a time nga we really have to look on kuan sa ganaganing. Same with us because we are into ay ABM and we really have to look onto an application on how we will be able to apply business mathematics in a business. Sa amo before, just to give you a overview, sa amo before nga class, nga katong napay face-to-face kay amo silang groupings unya dayon nag-create, nag-costing ng product niya among gibaligyan. Like for example, munchkins or itlog or ice candy. Nya amo nang gibalig na nang feed meta ni search nya among gipapaligya ngadto sa tanang unsa ni sa Hula Hope Night High School bagi pasuroy na mo na during break time. So katong
Why naka-advantage?
mo na naka-advantage katong balangdaan, they were able to raise
Sa kuan, ma'am?
as in naagod to weekend in a week.
Face-to-face.
Naagod to in a week, they were able to raise like 1,000 pesos ang usa ka group in a week. Ilang baligya kay ice candy. Pero, again, if there is an application on the business mathematics, nga katong may costing, nag-i-appeal nimo ang labor cost, may inaana ba? But we will learn on that in the next siguro, next module. So, the reason nga nung ako nili is for the consultation kung as you run through or go through on the activity, naara ba mo yung mga problem nga na-encounter?
Na, ma'am, sa katong postas.
Ngano ganito?
Katong sa number 14 o 15, wala ang answer.
Mo saan na ipangutana dahil declare ng 14 o 15?
Sa 1. Sa pages.
Dili sa postas, sa assessment, ma'am.
Sorry, mali.
Asa ka, ma'am?
Ha?
Ay, dara day.
Wait, so money, ako sa check kay ako sa communicate with the writer kung anong walay answer ang ang uban. Pero ako lang sa double check, pero kung no answer, ayun lang, answering.
Bonus na siya, chat lang.
Okay, mabonus na siya. Kaya mag-base man mi sa writer, ani. So, malihog lang kong ingon sa uban na katong nag-printed kay they have to get the module 2 by tomorrow. I mean by Monday for grade 11, Monday and Tuesday. That time is 8 to 4. I mean 2 to 4 lang di ay. Kay mag-sorting pa man sab me on the third part or in the module 3. So, mo na to. Any question?
Aray.
Sa pag mo pay pag-abot ni Joy, bordador.
None, ma'am. Okay.
Ansa, Rad?
Wala ra, ma'am, oy. Nakasabot na mi, ma'am. Thank you.
Aliw ko kanang communicate sa uban na katong wala dire, then I will be generating your attendance today. We will have kinay large imong tingog full na ako volume. Left die join balik. Okay. Karon pa ko nakabasa. Kuan, ang katong na diri I will generate attendance. Dayon as we kuan kay atong consultation will always be on Thursday 10 a.m. Yeah, you can check on the link on our classroom. Nakikita na mo, ako ipakita usab ha. Mo niya atong classroom code kani.
Okay.
Kung mo-open mo sa link, nata diha, kung mayroon kayo kung mag-consultation, there's no need for me to share the link, but go directly to that our classroom and click on the link, then you will be directed to the classroom. I mean, Google Meet.
Sure. Patrace ka magkamot.
Any question? Wala na? Na-generate na ako ang attendance?
Hala! Try lang.
Naligi picture lagi. Snapshot natin.
Hala. Hala ha. May, isig on po ang main. Try lang.
Kasi may.
So, muna to. Thank you for coming, guys. Again, if you have any questions, please message your teachers or your subject teachers. Given a period of time, 8 to 6 in the evening
Ma-
on Tuesday.
Ay, katong abot.
Clarify lang ako, ma'am ha. Sa printed modules mo ba? Ma'am ba? Clarify lang ako kanang. Each activity, ma'am, kay kanang line-line na kanang papers. Like, katong
Yes.
pre-test is katong bond paper and post-test bond paper. Then sa activities, kay paper na intermediate.
Yes, man paper. Yan na name, na itong format nga gipang post sa mga teachers. But just follow the format na lang sad.
Oo, katong format na gyata. Oo.
So, one, ako i-repeat ha.
So, ipasa siya Monday na 19.
Ako i-repeat ha. Ang katong sa ibang submit ninyo. Mga noun. Pwede siya makaka-capture of daghan noun.
Wala yung laptop din mo.
Ay, ka laptop ka. Yes, yes.
Kinsay na yung laptop there, please, guys. Bernalyn.
Siko ano to sa clinic.
Ako laptop din kay Gon man, mga manigwan.
Agoy. Ay, si Karen K. Ay. Guwapa, Claire.
you.
Ay,
Joke, try lang. Try lang.
Matuog yan.
Mana, naaman tay, naaman tay classroom, naatay Facebook, kana nga mga communication means, ato yun na siyang i-check every now and then, ha? Dili lang magpasagad og kanang kanang dili mag-check sa ato ang online, kay online, usually online gid ba ang grade 11 o 12. Gamay ra kayo ang nagprinted. Sa ato ang 40, kay naaray mga 16 or 20. So,
Okay.
ano to?
Ay, 40 nakabuktudan sa kuan, ma'am, ABM.
Yes, 40. Ayan, i-add sa atong chat group, 47 na, sa atong Facebook group. Na late na. So, wala na ipangutana. Let's end this call and we call it a day. I'll see you Thursday, the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then don't forget on Monday and Tuesday for grade 11 module distribution and grade 12 Wednesday and Thursday module distribution 2 to 4 p.m. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Pero mag-submit, mag-post ng gihapon kong PDF file para sa atong business math sa ato ang group or sa ato ang kanang classroom. Para maka-access sa gihapon mo, okay? Wala na yung question, May? Claire?
walay. Ay, katong sa about dililag bro. Wala ko
Okay.
focus ato.
Atong daily monitoring lag kay everyday na mansuno man kung butsa nga check ang imong gitutukan in a day. Like for example, you have to schedule yourself ba or manage your time every week. Like karong Monday, you Monday AM you are answering or reading the business mathematics. Dayon on Monday afternoon you are reading the general mathematics. Inganana lang to siya. Then i-check mo kung naka-answer na ka sa post-test o pre-test. Inganana. Yeah, then on Tuesday, you are reading the kuan. Ano ba yung subject? Entrepreneurship in the morning. Then in the afternoon, you're reading on the
Uy,
oral.
nagwan pa si ma'am.
Tayo, atong may mga oral communication subject, grade 11. Ma'am Violi will also meet you on a Saturday. Okay, so for na to, thank you so much guys for coming. And I hope to see you next week, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Sige, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Wala biting.
Adios.
Wala tayo laki na kuan. Classmate. Na, ako rin laki din.
Parang naiman left.
Left na taday. More dito. Bye. Bye, everyone! Ay, kuan! Claire! Hi, Claire!
Bye. Yes. Hello.
Chika sa kanong, pala sa module din?
Ay, kuan mo. May okay sa mga sa grade 11.
Oh, bantog na. Recorded ka na mo. Wala, recorded man eh! Wala, sige na. Ay, mga sabit na. Bye-bye!
Bisik lang ka. Ha? Ate, bigat bisik. Recorded mo. Recorded to. Maniha pa na yun. Katutukan pa rin pag-prayer. Sabi, what a day? Lalangoy. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and comment on this YouTube channel.